Cleanroom roof panels are typically designed to support high-efficiency filters, air conditioning systems, and associated lighting and other services. The design of the roof system must take into account the following key factors. Support capacity. The top plate needs to be able to support the weight of equipment such as filters and lights. Modular design, easy to maintain and replace filters. Tightness. Prevent unfiltered air from entering the clean room directly. Material selection. Use materials that are not easy to produce dust and are easy to clean. Flatness. Ensure that the surface is smooth and avoid dust accumulation. The air duct in a clean room is controlled by the ventilation system, including the supply air duct and the return air duct. The design and installation of the air duct is critical to maintaining the air quality and pressure difference in the clean room. Air ducts should be made of smooth, non-corrosive materials, such as stainless steel or galvanized steel, to reduce dust accumulation and be easy to clean. All joints must be well sealed to prevent the infiltration of untreated air.